A lot of the positions are at their 52-week high. Do we just continue to buy or hold on to that cash and wait it out?
Yeah. So a lot of the 52-week highs there's a lot more room to run. And so today, tomorrow, yesterday, they were working on new 52-week highs, basically.
Yeah.
So a 52-week high is always a moving target. It does not ever mean, there's some times when it happens, but you can't look at that and think, well, this is as good as it's going to get. No, it's as good as it's going to get today. Tomorrow, they could set a new 52-week high, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. And so I think they all, if they're on my buy list, they still have upside potential. And one of the things that, I'm looking at projected earnings. And from that projected earnings, I'm extrapolating out of that and saying, well, then it looks like their stock ought to be headed to this next high, or the true value of the stock might be $71, even though it's at a 52-week high of 59. So I'm looking at those things as well. So I don't get too caught up in that in 52-week highs. So I wouldn't. I wouldn't sell anything.
Here's a real specific example that you can look at. Go look at IN52 and pull up a 10-year chart on it, and then ask yourself, when would I have bought this? Because the trajectory is pretty much just straight up. And I know it's not on the buy list right now, but I know it has been in the past. So the point is, when it was on the buy list, it was probably, at one point close to a 52-week high. So if you're always waiting for it to go down, you may never get the chance to buy it. And you may miss out on a really good opportunity.
Yeah, and that's a great point.
Hey, remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.